Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, as you can see in this video, we're just going to follow this help center article of Etsy. And basically, those are the steps or the exact steps on how to cancel a sale. So the first thing to do, of course, is to just visit your Etsy website and you will be needing to go to your shop manager. And basically, it will be located here in the corner. So basically, here in the header, you will find your shop manager. By clicking on the shop manager, you will be able to find this dashboard. So now we will be needing to go to orders and shipping. And basically, the orders will be located here. So we click on orders and from here you will find all your orders. And now to cancel an order, there are two ways. Either you can just select the three dots icon that you will find next to each order and you'd find them here. So basically you will have a list of order one, order two, order three, and then you will find either a list of items or three dots icon. You will be needing just to click on cancel. After that, you will find a pop-up that will be showing that tells you to select a reason for the cancellation from the dropdown. And then you will be able to see the refund amount due to the buyer. And then you can, or in the text box, you will be able to totally refund the buyers and you can write an optional message to your buyers so you can confirm or just give them some information, etc. And then you can totally or you can submit your cancellation and basically would have like your order that will be successfully cancelled. So basically those are the steps on how you can successfully cancel orders as a seller on Etsy. Thank you for watching and see you next time.